Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 5G, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your smartphone. So let's start, and as you can see in this smartphone we got already installed protection. You can remove it, but you can also leave it on the screen, you can decide. I'm going to put on it tempered glass. So right now we have to open box with tempered glass. And inside we'll find tempered glass and the two wipes. And the first we'll use the wet one. To clean that mess from the screen you can move circles like that. I mean, moves like that. Remember to reach every corner. And when you finish you can smoothly move to the dry one. And just do the same. Okay, so right now we can grab our glass, remove that sticker, take it off easily, and right now let's put it on our display. Be sure that everything's fine and there's no any piece of the dust or something like that, because when you put your glass on it, it will be, you will get the air bubbles. Okay, so put it like that. And right now we can press with your finger, for example, in the middle. And there it goes, as you can see. And to finish, we can use this dry wipe and take off that mess. Okay, so right now we can turn on our screen, and here we are. So, as you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.